Hi everyone, welcome back to Chemistry Portal. The IIT JAM 2025 chemistry results are out and many of you must be wondering which IIT can I get with my rank. So in this video, I will analyze the closing ranks from previous years and give you a better idea, a clear idea of what IIT you can expect based on your rank. So whether you are aiming for IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi or any other top IIT, in this data analysis will help you make an informed decision. So stay tuned till the end of this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content, and let's start. So this is our biggest reveal for our today's video. Okay, so first thing we will discuss the cutoff. So this year the chemistry cutoff for the IIT JAM exam is for general category the cutoff is 25.83, and for the OBC MCL or EWS the cutoff is 23.24, and for SC, ST and PWD the cutoff is 12.91. And now the time came to reveal the biggest secret, biggest cheat code, right? So this is your rank versus IIT, and this data is the fresh data from the previous year, and it took 1 hour to compile it for all the IITs, rank versus IIT. Okay, so please stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content. Okay, so see here, if your rank is below or equal to 29, and if you are general category, then you can expect IIT Bombay, right? If you are general EWS and if your rank is less than or equal to 106, then you can expect IIT Bombay. If you are OBC, MCL, if your rank is belongs to less than or equal to 144, you can expect IIT Bombay. If you are SC, if your rank is below or equal to 289, you can expect IIT Bombay. If you are ST category, if your rank is below or equal to 2112, you can expect IIT Bombay. So you can pause the video, you can check by yourself at which rank you are getting which IIT, right? Okay, so I will talk about mostly about the old IIT. Okay, and so for IIT Delhi, for general this is a 108, and for EWS it is a 205, and for OBC MCL the 233. If your rank is less than or equal to 233, you can expect IIT Delhi. And if you are from SC category and your rank is below or equal to 711, you can expect IIT Delhi. And if you are ST category, if it belongs to ST category, you can and your rank below or equal to 2194, you can expect IIT Delhi. So for IIT Guwahati you can check it here. For general it's a 267, and for EWS 341, and for OBC MCL 547, for SC 1859, and for ST 3051. For the IIT Kanpur, for general 102, for EWS 251, for OBC 324, and for SC 834, for ST 4385, right? So you can take a screenshot or you can pause the video, you can check your rank versus IIT, right? And so if I talk about IIT Indore, because I belongs to here, my master in chemistry from IIT Indore. So for the IIT Indore, if your rank is below 383, then you can expect IIT Indore. if you are general category, and if you are OBC, so your rank should be 690, below or equal to 690, then you can expect IIT Indore, right? And these are the maximum rank I am telling you, okay? Closing rank, last closing rank, okay? These are the safe side rank, okay? If your rank lying in this category, it means you will 95% you will get that expected IIT, okay? Understood? This is not like a hard and fast rule. Plus minus 20, it will happen. Understood? Okay? And from the April, IIT JAM counseling will start, right? Okay? So don't miss that. And for that, I will upload videos also regarding the counseling, first round, second round, third round, how to proceed, and all the things, what are the documents required, right? Okay, so right, so don't miss that, and subscribe now, and I will send you updates on the every round cutoff, right? So these are the cutoff, okay, closing rank cutoff for the different IIT. So pause the video, you can check by yourself and let me know your rank, okay, and which IIT you are expecting. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box and I will reply all of you. Okay? Thank you everyone. So please subscribe our channel Chemistry Portal, and that will be very helpful for you. Okay? Thank you.